Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam proscribed from the trade of mukhabara, muhakala, muzabana, and the trade of the fruit which are not eatable, and all other fruits except in case of araya must be sold in exchange for dinar and dirham. Ata says that Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu, interpreting these words, said, Mukhabara means that a man gives another man an undeveloped piece of land. He invests in it, and when it gives yield, he gets a share in the produce. Mazabana means bartering fresh dates for dried dates by measurement. Muhakala in agriculture is a similar trade regarding crops, bartering standing crops of wheat for ear of wheat with a measure. For instance, Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3887.